Yeah, they verbally told us that in Diwali 23 you will get your houses. But when we did the BBA after 4 or 5 months, तो हमें पता चला कि वो 24 का फॉर्मल कमिटमेंट है इनका इन पेपर्स. सो दैट ऑल्सो लुकिंग गुड कि ठीक है 24 में तो मिल ही जाएगा. And we are still here and fighting for our home. So I personally visited that alternative route as well. So that is a गांव का very कच्चा रास्ता. So it is not safe. So it is not safe even for me as well. और उन्होंने सपने बहुत बड़े बड़े दिखाए, but that was not the reality on paper. I need my houses. I am not the investor. I am the serious buyer who bought your property to stay in that. Yeah, I'm Rohit. अभी मैं नोएडा में रह रहा हूँ with my family. My parents are still in Haryana in a small town. Yeah. So I'm one of the initial buyer जिसने EOI पे interest before the RERA एक small token amount दिया था. We would not have any home and we have a parental house and there is a dream of my parents कि एक घर होना चाहिए. अभी दोनों भाई मिलके एक घर ले लो. देन वी वर रोमिंग अराउंड सिंस 1 year. तो किसी बिल्डर के थ्रू ही सजेस्ट कि स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड इज ओपनिंग अ फ्लैट लाइक दिस, सोसाइटी लाइक दिस. सो वी कंसिडर दैट. और जब हमने देखा सैम्पल फ्लैट, इट वाज रियली गुड. और हमने तुरंत पेरेंट्स को कॉल किया टू मेक अ विजिट. तो ही ऑल्सो सेड कि काफ़ी सही लग रहा है एंड इट सूट्स मी माई जॉब एज वेल कि मेरा हाइब्रिड मोड रहता है एंड आई नीड सम प्राइवेसी कि मेरे को वर्क फ्रॉम होम थोड़ा सेपरेट करना है. तो दे हैव द बेसमेंट कंसेप्ट, ऑल्सो द टेरेस कंसेप्ट, ऑल्सो दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग द लग्जरी. एंड वन ऑफ द मेजर पॉइंट वॉज आई नीड द गुड एनवायरमेंट outside as well. तो location is the USP they are selling. तो I visited the location. मैं पहले कभी नहीं आया था, तो मेरे को भी बहुत पसंद आई. तो that was the reasons behind buying that property. Yeah, they verbally told us that in Diwali 23 you will get your houses and आप दिवाली आप वहीं मनाओगे. But when we did the BBA after 4 or 5 months, तो हमें पता चला कि वो 24 का फॉर्मल कमिटमेंट है इनका इन पेपर्स. सो दैट ऑल्सो लुकिंग गुड कि ठीक है 24 में तो मिल ही जाएगा. एंड we are still here and fighting for our home. Now our major concern is the connectivity. We can't go to our home from the entry they have showed or the promised. So that is the only thing we wanted right now. We never visited the site because they didn't allow us to go there. And it was a single project. So when I booked the property, they showed us a map. And in that map also we could not see that cremation ground or anything, as there are the two parts of the society and they will connect that through the bridge. That was never mentioned. We got to know at the end of around 2024 when they tried first time to make that bridge, but somehow villager came and destroyed that bridge, and that noise came to the social media and we got to know that there is something bridge kind of thing also exist. So that was the first time we heard about that. So I personally visited that alternative route as well. So that is a गांव का very कच्चा रास्ता. So it is not safe. So it is not safe even for me as well. अगर कभी बारिश भी हो गई तो you can't go outside. That is kind of a thing they are providing. और वाइफ और बच्चे को तो मैं मतलब उनको तो जाने ही नहीं दे सकता. एंड सेकेंड इज माई किड इज गोइंग टू स्कूल टुमारो. तो हाउ द बसेस केम टू द प्रोजेक्ट, और वाइफ को भी ऑफिस जाना होता है एंड हाउ शी विल ट्रेवल. सो there is no way. I can't think of that route. From last 1.5 year, I'm telling this one thing to the builder. I visiting their office quite a lot. In every 1 or 2 months, I visited their offices and telling one thing. I need my houses. I'm not the investor. I'm the serious buyer who bought your property to stay in that. So I'm telling only one thing. I need the house and need the connectivity from the front. I'm not sure how will you provide or will I will get that, but I need that and I need that immediately, because that's the promise you have made to us when I was invested on your property. Precaution is, if you're buying in a project initially or under constructed, so you need to do a complete due diligence before going to that property. Read out all the documents and take it all the commitments on the email or the formal communications. That was the mistake we have done. So they did the verbal communication. I'm buying the first time, और मेरे को किसी ने बताया नहीं, और उन्होंने सपने बहुत बड़े बड़े दिखाए, बट दैट वाज नॉट द रियलिटी ऑन पेपर.